Hello folks, and welcome back. Remember, we're doing non-objective thumbnails, and I have all 6 of my thumbnails done. Now I ended up shading in a couple extras. You don't have to do that. Remember, you only needed to shade in one thumbnail, whatever your favorite one was, and we are going to transfer your thumbnail, so that image, whatever one you may have chosen, to a different piece of paper today. Now I think I'm gonna go with this one. I really like the movement within it, and I think the boxes along the side are really cool. So that's the one I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna put my sketchbook to the side so I still have it close to me for a reference, but it's not in my way. Then I'm gonna grab a heavier duty, you can kind of hear it, piece of paper, and I'm gonna transfer my thumbnail image onto this piece of paper. Now, if you want, when you're doing this, one kind of trick is to mark where the center is on your page. So you can put little notches down on where your visual center is, and that gives you kind of a reference point. So to the side is where that first line starts, and this one is almost right at the center, okay? So when I'm doing this, and I can do it vertically, I can do it horizontally, but since I'm doing mine horizontally, I want to rotate my page so it's horizontal. And here we go. Remember, you're always drawing very, very lightly, because just like I already did right here, you're probably going to have to edit as you work. Now this one goes off the page at about a quarter of the way in. And then I have this swirl coming up along the side. It goes off the page there. Now my lines are super light right now, as they should be, because I'm just plotting in where everything's located and at. Now keep in mind, this piece of paper is significantly larger than the piece of paper that you were working with. That means that your drawings should be way bigger. And I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 circles on this side. So 1, 2, and this one was supposed to go off the page over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now on this side, this one comes in and grows out. It's meeting at the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you're using parts of your drawings as a reference so you can get it as accurate as possible to your original. And this is going to curve off right on the edge, just like it does on my thumbnail. Okay, so I'm constantly looking at my thumbnail because that is my reference point, and I want it to be as accurate to my original as I can possibly make it. This comes out. And this is not big enough in relation to the other one, so I need to fix that. And I need to add in my boxes. Now I had 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. Make sure you're looking at your space constantly so you're not getting overwhelmed by anything one way or the other. All right, and bring back our piece of paper for our thumbnails and hold it up next to it. Okay, so this side got a little skinny over here, so this needs to come in and flare out a little bit more, it looks like. Okay, so you can edit until you get it 100% as accurate as you possibly can on your final draft, because this is what you're going to be working from and on watercolor when we get to watercolor. So make sure you get it to the point where you're very happy with it. This is a little abrupt for me. And then we'll work from there. Good luck.